Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own octopus using some yarn or something that you have at home. So you'll need some yarn. It could be this big fluffy kind, or it could just be any old kind. I'm going to use the orange. What you're going to need to do is measure 24 pieces that are about 1 foot long. If you have a ruler, you could just use that to measure it, lay it down and then cut. But watch this. My arms from here to here are about 1 foot, so I just go around and see, since that would be 2 times, hold on, let me show you again. Since this would be 1, 2 feet, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, how many did I say? 24? 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, maybe. I'm going to cut the bottom of that. And I'm going to hold my loops really carefully and cut the bottom here because I want this 12 to be a part and this 12 to be apart. Be really careful. Find your mom's good scissors, but make sure you ask permission. Moms always know which ones are the good scissors and what they should be used for and what they should not be used for. Then you're going to take your big bunch of 1 foot yarn strands and lay it straight across. You'll need one more piece that is about, I don't know, about a foot, maybe a little bit less. Lay it underneath my bunch of yarns, and I'm going to tie it once, one more time, pull it, okay. I'm going to cut those off. Then I need to pick it up and turn it over so that this cut part is hiding underneath. All right, and then we'll need one more piece of yarn to cut around, or tie around here to make the head of the octopus. I'm gonna lay that down and put my yarn blob just about 1 or 2 inches over, and then tie around like I'm tying a necktie. Once, twice, and then I'm going to cut those off right there. You might get yarn fuzz all over the place. Okay, next, there should be 24 little pieces down here. And we're going to braid them all into legs. How many legs does an octopus have? Octopus has 8 legs. Let's make sure that Trinity did this right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oops, this one has 9. Let's check this one. Okay, this one has 4 or 8. Okay, so you're gonna just take the little pieces and braid them together. You might need a friend to help you. And when you get to the bottom, there's 2 ways that you can fasten it. You could tie a little piece of yarn around the bottom. That's a little bit challenging. You might need a friend to hold it. Or if you have hair ties around the house, you could just put a little hair tie on there, like this. Ta-da! Like that. Okay. And then there's 1 leg, and then you just keep on going until you have 8 of them.
Yay! Okay, so here's our little octopus that we made out of yarn. But what we still have to do is we still have to braid his arms. So if you don't know how to braid, you can get help from an adult, or, see, this one has a little example. Or you might be able to look up a different video to see how to braid. But I'm going to show you really quick. So we're going to grab let's see, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna do 6 strings. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're gonna separate them by 2s. Ooh, this is like a math lesson. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna do 2, 2, and 2. So 2 times 3 is 6. Yay, math. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go over. So pick the middle one, make it go over. Then pick the middle one again and make the left one go over. Now that's the middle. You're gonna go over the middle one, over and over again. So every time you're gonna have a middle one, you're just gonna go over that one, over and over. Okay, and that's gonna braid it to make your little octopus arms. And when you're done, you will have an octopus, which I'll show you in just a second. So get to braiding and we will see you in a minute. Oh, I forgot to tell you, when you get to the end of your braids, you can tie it with one of the legs that you already have. So put it in a circle. I would find the longest one. Let's find the longest one. So here's the longest one right here. And I'm gonna take this one, I'm gonna make it go all the way around the big fat octopus leg. Make it go all the way around. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slip it under where I started. So I started right here. I'm gonna slip it under there. Let's see. That should be easier than it looks, right? Oh, there it is. Okay, so I'm gonna slip it under there and pull it through and pull it tight. And that will keep your octopus leg intact. So now I have 2 legs. How many legs does an octopus have? Octo means 8, so it has 8 legs. So we're gonna make 8 octopus legs. Let's see how you guys do.